Do you all have a tendency to dump things into one drawer and then not being able to find anything from it? Yes, that's me. That is what has happened to me when we moved here. We dumped everything here and now I can't find anything. So, if you also want a solution on how to fix this, continue watching my channel Home Gupshup. Here I am going to be telling you how I organize all these things that you see without buying any organizers. I have garbage bags, spoons, aluminium foil, measuring cups, knives and whatnot. But now I'm going to organize this so that it becomes more functional for me. It's easier for me to put back things inside. In your house also, if you have a drawer anywhere in the kitchen or in the bedroom, you can organize following the same rules that I have done. It's very easy and it will happen in no time. So I have come to the decision to organize this now. And how am I going to do it? Yes, I have to learn to give up on things which I don't need, and so should you. So look at everything that you have in the drawer, remove it from the drawer, and see what things are really needed and what are not. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to empty the drawer, as you can see, and dump everything on the platform. And from this, I am going to see what all things I need and what I don't. Before that, what I need to do is clean this drawer. So I'm going to be using a wet wipe here, a very easy and simple solution. No need of a cloth and some special solution. No, I can just do it with a wipe. It's very easy to do. It looks very neat. Next, I want to make my drawer a little more pretty. So I'm going to be using this liner. I really feel it's very colorful. It's just me. I like flowers, so that's what I'm using. And now I'm going to cut it to size and put it inside the drawer. This liner is waterproof, guys, so it's very easy with it. I can just wipe off the liner and I will have no problems later. Another tip here is, when you're putting the liner, you can put a tape underneath so that the liner doesn't move. Now inside the drawer, I have decided to use these plastic boxes or containers, which are basically boxes that I got veggies in. I used to get vegetables and fruits inside this, so I washed these and I have saved these to organize my drawers. I did not buy anything, I had vegetables in this. So the advantage is these are transparent, so I can still see the design and the color of my liner, which I am really enjoying. I really want to be able to see the liner. That is what I would really wanted. So yeah, what I have also done is I've kept the boxes only on one side because I wanted to keep the aluminium foils on one side, and they're very long, so I needed space for them. So that's why on one side I've left space for that. Now after sorting through the stuff, this is what I got. All of this is waste. I'm going to throw all of this. None of this is needed. So yeah, now we'll have lesser stuff in the drawer to organize. And finally, I'm going to show you how I have organized my drawer and how it looks, and then tell you what all things I have done inside the drawer. So yay! This is how the drawer looks now. What do you guys think? I really like it. Maybe it's not very pretty, but it's very functional. Firstly, because of the liner, nothing is moving. As you can see, everything is in its place. Secondly, every container has a dedicated spot, so everything will go in that container only. Like from the leftmost, I have all my knives, my tong and smaller spatulas and a pen and a watermelon scooper and all those things I keep in the leftmost container. The middle container, I have put my measuring cups and measuring spoons because I do use them almost on daily basis, so I need them on the topmost drawer. That's why I've kept them here. And then behind, I've kept things which I don't use, a leg slicer which I only use once or twice a week. And I have my garbage bags also here because they also get used every 2 days. I change my garbage bags. And on the right hand most side, I've kept the aluminium foil and my knives, as you can already see. So always keep things which are less used on the back side and which are more often used in the front of the drawer, because obviously you want easy accessibility. So that's what I have done here. I've kept little packets of soda and baking powder also, at the backside, because again I don't use baking soda on a daily basis, and my bigger knives on the right hand side most, because I don't want to be cutting my fingers, while trying to pick out my aluminum foil, so I want to stay safe. Now everything has a spot, it's very easy. I know where to put them back also when I have cleaned them or washed them on a daily basis. Visibility is very important, and everything should be really visible so that you can use them whenever you want. So that's all for this video, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful for your daily life as well. Bye bye.